Well, welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. My name is Rob Appell from Stitchin Heaven out in Quitman, Texas. And yes, I want to do our really quick roll and spin for our random quilt block generator. We're calling it Scrap Masters. And like I said last week, we're not going to do a whole sewing thing because we're in the middle of our holiday season, but I do want to generate the block so that we can sew on something if we don't know what to be sewing on. Free pattern in the link below. Here we go. What block are we using for week number 9? Oh, it's going off the table. Double roll, flopping it around. Oh, a lot of heat on that one. We're calling it block 5. Fantastic. I think we might even have a block 5 on the wall already. Yeah, okay, we're doing a block 5 there. Remember, there are no rules. What color are we using this week? Ooh, block 5 in yellow orange. Okay. How many different fabrics are we going to get to use? We have a total of 20 choices here. What are we looking at? 1. No, we're not making a whole cloth quilt. Let's do a reroll. Ooh, 19. That's an awful lot. Let's see what we can do with this. I'll be right back to show you my finished block. Again, folks, happy holidays, happy sewing. Make sure you're posting on our Facebook group. Okay. Oh boy, this might be one of my favorite blocks so far of series 2. I really like what I did with my colors here. So block number 5, it is week number 9. The color was the yellow orange. That's what I came up with. Oh yeah, and I just think this is personally terrific. So thanks for being here. Happy holidays, everybody. We will see you next week with an official Scrap Masters Friday.